Hello and welcome or welcome back here on my channel, and we're back with Amorphis and the song Two Bots and Against. I'm very excited. This is a live performance and we're gonna check it out right now. Let's go. Yeah, I love this. So they are such a great band and I really love the singer. He has a great clean voice, but his harsh vocals are amazing too. So yeah, this is really one of the best bands I've heard in a long time. And he has such a unique voice. I really love that. And of course, the band is great. Everyone is doing a great job. I really enjoy the drummer. Yeah, so amazing. I love this. great. The way he's changing from the clean vocals to the growling is amazing, and the crowd is great. I love it. Yeah, big crowd, big band. This is, yeah. I wish I would be there, but I wasn't. Maybe one day I will see them live. We will see.
Tuhannet kiitokset ihmiset. Teillä on hirveä määrä täällä. Kiitos siitä. Mites, jos soitettaisiin kappale Tales from the Thousand Lakes albumilta? Käykö teille ihmiset?
Yeah, this was a great song and a beautiful performance. I really enjoyed this. And I can't wait to see more of Amorphis and to hear more of Amorphis. We have here a performance. Here's a performance. Here's a... No, that's not Amorphis. But here... yeah. Let me know in the comments what we're gonna see next. And you can find the link to this great video in the video description as always. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And see you next time. Bye bye.